loving it. All right, hold it. Let's go left a little. A little more. A little more, a little more, a little more. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All right, right there's good. What's your name?
Gianna.
Gianna. You want to say something, Gianna?
Say something to your fans.
All right, you want? Oh, I got one. I got one for you. You want to say a joke?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. You want to say? You guys want to see the bushes, right? And they'll all be like, yeah. And then say, those are those green things on the rocks. We'll see them the rest of the trip. Think you can remember that? I'll repeat it. All right, go right, Gianna. Keep going right, Gianna. All right. Okay, hold it. Ready? So, ready? One at a time. You guys want to see the bushes, right?
Say it.
Just say it nice and slow and clear.
What
Okay.
about the interrupting cow joke?
Oh, hey, if you know something more funny than what I was going to say, then you go for it. Give them the interrupting cow joke.
I have to remember.
All right, you remember it, and then you
Knock,
get back to
knock.
me.
Knock, knock.
Go left a little.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Very good, Gianna. All right, go left. She can drive the boat, and she's got a little comedy going on.
Are you gonna say hi to your fans?
Hi, fans. I'm driving the boat.
She has a YouTube channel.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh,
It's called Gigi's Review.
Gigi review. I'm gonna have. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have to check it out. I'll do the thumbs up and the subscribe. Well, how about you give a little YouTube plug so everybody follows you? You gotta do it on this.
Say everybody. Tell everybody. Tell everybody to follow you on YouTube.
Everyone, follow me on YouTube. It's called Gigi's Reviews.
Who wants to be your millionth subscriber? Come on, get on the phones now. Let's go, people. Come on.
I feel like I'm going in circles.
You are going in circles.
Let's wait now.
I know, it's funny. All right, go right. We're gonna go in. We're gonna go in, and she's gonna drive. We'll be done. You're going in circles. Yeah, you're going in circles. Anything else you want to say?
I'm just doing another joke.
All right, do another joke.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Why are you crying?
What are you gonna do? No, you're supposed to say like.
Hold it, hold it. We got an issue.
Now which way?
You're going good. We're gonna go there. You're going good. Here, you take this over and let her drive. Go over there.
Take that over.
Yes, you come up
Why don't you sing a song for him?
and do some song singing or some joking.
The wheels on the bus. Wait.
You gotta hit the button.
This one.
We're on a boat.
The wheels on the bus go.
Go left, left. The wheels on the boat. You go left. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Sing some Frozen.
Keep going.